Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In one of my previous videos, I said that I would make a separate video to check if the module and case of the WS-1600H are swappable with the AE-1200 and AE-1300. And here is my old AE-1300WH 8AV and the new WS-1600H 8AV. First, let me unscrew the backplate of the AE-1300 and take off the backplate. And next, I will unscrew the backplate of the WS-1600H and take off the backplate. Here is a side-by-side comparison. The sizes and positions are identical, even the spring for the buzzer. Now let me remove the module of the AE-1300 and then the WS-1600. Now I am taking off the insert frame of WS-1600H. It is a bit difficult, so you need to be patient to avoid scratching the watch. Next, I am removing the insert of the AE-1300, and this is a lot easier than the other one. And then I will put the module and insert of the WS-1600 into the case of the AE-1300 and also the module of the AE-1300 into the case of the WS-1600. Then I push the metal switch tab in so that the module can be flushed inside the case. I continue by closing the backplate. And here we have a swapped module WS-1600 and AE-1300. Next, I test the buttons. First, the AE-1300, all functioning well. Also the backlight. And then the WS-1600, also functioning well, including the backlight. I was about to stop right here, but seeing the combination, both have fresh looks with these colors, so I think swapping the strap to the other case might improve it a little more. And here I remove the straps from both cases and put them on the other case. And here are the results. I think this looks better. The WS-1600H 8AV gets a lighter gray case with a light gray strap, and then the AE-1300H 8AV gets a darker gray case with a darker gray strap. Here is a side-by-side comparison. Looks great. In summary, yes, we can swap the module and case of WS-1600 and AE-1300, which means also the AE-1200. Also, in my opinion, the color combination looks better after this swapping. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.